Yes. Just standing up like a boss baby.
Here, I'll be around this for a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, Abby. Where'd Dada go? Where's Dada?
Yeah.
Opposite side of the tree.
This is look like a house.
It is a house. I see, Ethan. He's got Lego.
Now we can climb the house up there like a monkey.
Yeah. Are you gonna climb up like a monkey? Or is this a monkey's house? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. What you do?
You want to give her a kiss? You gotta go to school soon. You want to give her a kiss goodbye? Ethan! Bye! We love you! Bye-bye! Would you like to do the exit, Alexa? Say bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Say I love you! Ethan, come here! You gotta do the exit, dude! Come here! Come here! There's no okay, this dude and bugs today. Hey, there's a bug! Ethan, I promise, there's no bugs over here. Your brother's funny. Look at this. You're proud of your sister? She's standing up really good. Say, good job, Aubrey. She gonna be walking soon just like you, Alexa Rose?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Say, good job, sis. Come here, Ethan. You gotta do the exit. Oh, yeah, yeah.
We had to climb over up there.
Ethan, come here! They're just bugs, dude! It's like when all of a sudden he woke up and realized there was bugs. Come here, dude! You gotta come do the exit. Come here. Come here, come here, come here.
I'm up there.
Ethan! Oh, ouch, I hit my head. Ethan, come here.
No, it's...
Say bye-bye. Summertime and the living is easy. Fish are jumping and the cotton is high. Your daddy's rich and your mama's good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. Yeah. No, not the pink one. Like I said, you gotta fill it faster than she can take it down. It's tricky, huh, Ethan?
So I got that piece.
Go, Ethan, go! Quick, build it high! Quick, quick, before Abby gets to it! Run!
Good job, Aubrey.
Go over here. There you go.
See ya.
Hi! I'm having fun with you. Ay, ay, ay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright, and then let Aubrey take it down. Woo! Say yay! Abby! Abby's helping.
Oh,
Helping
okay.
destroy it. Abby, say yay!
Good job. Good job.
Good clap, say yay! And the tower came down.
Jump! Now take the house.
Demolition baby. That's what they call it. Demolition baby. Alright, so
All right,
right
here.
go.